Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making the connection possible. Confirm your Lenovo supports Miracast or that you have a receiver like Chromecast or HDMI ready. Once done, make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are on and both devices share the same network. This lets discovery work. You should also update Windows and the integrated display drivers to avoid compatibility issues. Next, open the Action Center with Windows and click Connect or Project to start the mirroring flow and search for displays. You now choose how the image appears. Press Win+P to open Project and pick Duplicate, Extend, or Second Screen, only depending on your needs. Then select the target display from the list of detected devices. Some receivers require you to accept a connection or enter a PIN to pair securely. If the device does not appear, make sure the Windows Wireless Display optional feature is enabled and that your receiver is awake and discoverable. These steps resolve most mid-process detection issues. You finish by fine-tuning. Go to Display Settings to adjust resolution and scaling so text and images look correct on the external screen, and switch audio output to the mirrored device when needed. Once done, test a video or window to confirm smooth playback. If you hit issues, no discovery or lag, restart both devices, update screen and network drivers, and ensure the Windows Wireless Display feature is enabled. That single troubleshooting step fixes most remaining connectivity problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.